This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. GEA shows off 2220 TR custom ammonia refrigeration system built for North American chemical company in new video by Michael Hines, published July 2nd, 2025. GEA has released a new video showing a custom-built ammonia refrigeration system with a cooling capacity of 2,200 tons of refrigeration, 7,737 kilowatts, being prepared for delivery to a chemical manufacturing company located in North America. The refrigeration system consists of two screw compressors each with a cooling capacity of 1,279 tons of refrigeration, 4,500 kilowatts, a refrigeration vessel and heat exchanger skid, and a chiller with a cooling capacity of 90 tons of refrigeration, 316 kilowatts. The system was assembled at the company's York, Pennsylvania factory and is destined for a major sustainability-focused chemical manufacturer, according to GEA. The new refrigeration system is designed to remove heat generated by chemical reactions during the chemical production process. The compressor packages reduce the temperature of the chemical substance from 29.6 to 5 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 1.3 to minus 15 degrees Celsius, with the chiller further reducing the temperature from 4.3 to minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 15 to minus 20 degrees Celsius. The facility's existing ammonia refrigeration has used two GEA ammonia compressor packages since 2020. In addition to the new refrigeration system and chiller, an additional compressor package is being delivered to augment the capacity of the existing system.